In 1820, Missouri passed its Constitution. In Article 1, Section 22, the Constitution of Missouri says, "The right of trial by jury, as heretofore enjoyed, shall remain inviolate." That means that in Missouri, if two parties have a dispute, you have a right to a jury trial. Recently, there's been a lot of talk in the legislature about limiting your rights to recover damages after an injury. Obviously, a lot has changed since 1820. We've moved into the age of technology, and many things have changed. But the right to a jury trial has not changed. It is a fundamental belief of Missourians that if you have an issue, that you have a right to a jury to decide whether you win or lose and to decide your damages. And if we don't do that, then we're leaving it up to the government to decide what you should be entitled to. And as a lawyer, I don't think that's right. We've had many examples in my firm and in my previous firm where we had millions of dollars at stake for people that were killed or seriously injured as a result of a negligent party. And I don't want a judge or the legislature telling me how much that family is entitled to. I've had death cases, and we can't come in and say, oh, we're going to cap damages at $350,000. Because who's going to take care of the child whose parents are killed, or the child who becomes paralyzed as a result of a trucking collision? I don't want that to be on me and the other taxpayers. I want that to be on the insurance company. And listen, there's a lot of talk about, oh, punitive damages. Well, guess what? In Missouri, punitive damages are capped at $500,000, and they can't be more than 5 times the amount of the actual award. So if I get $10,000 for a plaintiff, I can't then go get $2 million in punitive damages. It's capped at 5 times, or $50,000, up to $500,000. So the myth about punitive damages, and by the way, that's contained in Chapter 510 of the Missouri Revised Statutes, it's untrue. There are not renegade awards. We're not in a lottery business. I don't handle frivolous lawsuits. If you have a frivolous case, I don't even want it. It's not worth my time. But if you have a real injury and a real case, let a jury decide it. This is America. That's why we have the jury system. All this talk about legislative reform, regardless of your party. These are issues that should be decided by a jury because this is America, and that is a fundamental right. So, if you have a problem, if you have an injury case, please call me. My name is Mark Cantor. My number is 314-628-9999. I have lots more to say about this topic, but I want to keep it short. I'm happy to engage with you on our Facebook page, on our blog at cantorinjurylaw.com, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.